Welcome to VCA Pushcord, a completely customizable and configurable platform for all your business automation requirements. Today, we are going to walk through an e-commerce platform developed on VCA Pushcord. The operation of an e-commerce platform can be divided into three parts: the e-commerce website, which will be used by the end customers, the order processing interface, and the product management interface. So let us begin this walkthrough by taking a look at the e-commerce website. On the e-commerce website, you have on top the menu in which you have the different items. You can navigate to any category and select the item. Let us just take a look at ladders and shelf. Pick up this ladder. As you can see, all the details are visible for this particular item here, and additional information is available here as well. This particular product has two variations. We can select any one to see the specific price and then add this item to the cart. Once the item is added to cart, it is visible here. And then we can go ahead and add just one more item. Let's go to interior lighting, ceiling. Pick up this light. And since this does not have any variations, we can directly add quantity to cart. Go here, checkout, proceed to checkout. When we proceed to checkout, if the user already has an account, they can go ahead and log in. Otherwise, new users can sign up here. Sign up is possible both through email and phone numbers. Once the sign up details are filled, the customer will receive an OTP. Once the OTP is verified, they can go ahead and log into their account. Let's sign in here, log in. Once we log in, then we can go to cart and proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you can see the quantity and price for each item, the VAT, and then you can select the pricing option, agree to the conditions, and then proceed to payment. Once you complete the payment formalities, your order will be ready for processing.